Hello everyone, in this video I wanted to review quickly this Gooloo Jump Starter power bank, and I'm gonna show you also how I used it on my Subaru Legacy 6-cylinder car today to jump start it because its battery was depleted. So the jump starter comes in this nice box. It has a zipper, of course, I already opened it, and this is the jump starter. So it has a sleek design, it has a rubberized feeling so it doesn't slip from your hands even if your fingers are greasy if you're working on your car. Of course, its main function is to jump start your car. So it comes with many cables. Let me show you first the cables that are for jump starting the car. So this is the cable for jump starting the car. It has a plus and minus, and this one here goes on the plus of your battery, and this here goes on the minus of your battery, or on your car chassis also it will work. And here is the plug for the jump starter. You put this simply here like this, and then you can put these on your car's battery, and then you just start your car and it will start. The nice thing about it is that it has a protection mechanism. So in case you mixed the polarity of the cables, so if you put the plus on the minus and the minus on the plus, it has a protection mechanism. So this LED light here, it will light up red, and this way you'll know that you put the cables wrong. And this LED here, it lights up green if everything is connected well. And if in case your battery needs more boost to start, you can press on this button here to give it a boost. Just short press it and then go and start your car and it will start. So there's a demonstration on how I'm gonna start my car later on. And also in this jump starter, which is a power bank also, it has also two USB ports here to charge your devices. So you can charge your phones and your tablets and so on. So this one here is a normal USB 5 volts charging plug. And this here is a smart USB charging like port. And I've used it also to charge my USB-C computer, and it works fine because it can go up to 9 volts. And this one here can go up only to 5 volts. It has a DC 12 volt output also. And this is here the plug where you put it to charge the power charger itself, the jump starter. It also here has a light in case you need it. So this button here is to light up here the light. One press, it will light up. Another press, it will blink. And another press, it will go into SOS mode. And here when you press on this button, it will show you the charging level, and here it is fully charged. And one thing that is very important when you get this jump starter is that you should charge it fully before first use. Otherwise, you might shorten the life of the internal battery, and as a rule of thumb, charge it each 6 months. Let me show you the cables before I show you the demonstration on how I jump started my car today. So it comes with these cables. This cable here is to charge it in your home, and I told you that you put this here like this. And this cable here is to charge it on the go. So you put this in the cigarette lighter of your car, and then you plug this here the same place. And they provide you also, like this is a USB-C cable if you want to charge your devices. So let me show you now how I jump started my car today. So here I'm plugging the cable in the jump starter, and the cable, as you're gonna see, it has a key, so it cannot go wrong. Just plug it firmly in the jump starter, and then here connect the clamps, the red one to the plus of the battery, and then I'm connecting the black one to the minus of the battery. And notice here how the LED light lights green. It means that the connection is good and the jump starter is ready to start the car. Put it in a place where it cannot slide. And here I'm gonna start my car, and you're gonna notice that it will start on the first try. If you wanna check out this jump starter, I have an affiliate link, an Amazon affiliate link in the description. You can use it to check out this jump starter on Amazon's site. I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you if you make a purchase using this link. This will greatly help my channel. I want to thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.